today I got the vending machine, and I got it from MGA's website. I did the free shipping. They had a free shipping, and I took advantage of it. You gotta follow them on Instagram, and that's how I found out about the free shipping that they had for the 7th. So I got this and the pantry. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. That is so cool. Like, this is heavy. It's nice and sturdy. Oh my goodness. It's got a whole bunch of stuff inside. I actually was wanting the corn nuts. I love the corn nuts. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's open this up. So yeah, just follow the MiniVerse on Instagram, and that's how you can find out what the deals that they have going on. So I took advantage of that, and I ordered it online. I ordered the vending machine online, and yeah, it was free shipping. Oh, okay. These are the little cards. That's hilarious. Okay. They're both the same. Alright. Read me first. Oh, we read pictures now. Okay, got it. Okay, I think I understand. Okay, and now this is gonna be weird to show because the way my camera angle is. I really can't change it. This is the way my setup is. Alright, so we stick this in here. Wait, am I supposed to open this baby? And I didn't read the instructions. I just saw the instructions. It says that you can open it from the front. Oh, no. Open it from the back. Okay. No, it is not. It's just a picture. So basically, what the teal one comes with is these ones on the side. These ones are not real. It's a little plastic. And so we push this, I guess, right? We pull it out. It comes out. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. So it's just a picture of the corn nuts. It's not the actual little bag. It's alright though. Let's see. Oh, okay. So this one, they come wrapped in. You know what? I'm creative, so I'm going to use this bag, and I'm going to put this one inside that one, and we're going to play pretend. Oh, I hope it comes off. Ah! Close enough. Let's see. Oh, the other way. Like this, like that. Bam. Okay, so I put them on here. Oh, there's stuff in there. There is popcorn in there. I can feel it. I'm not gonna open it so I can test out the vending machine here. Okay. It's a little wonky. Okay. Bam. And like that. Maybe it's not gonna fit. I think it's too tall. Just leave it like that. It is what it is. Okay. Yes. Now this goes in here. Right? Alright. Alright, same thing with this one. Definitely some high shoes in there. High shoes. Alright. Bam. So you pull, and then you pull some Reese's. All right. Okay, let's see. So it doesn't go. Unless this is put in, right? Oh. Let's see. Alright, so this one. Oh, there it goes. So you just push it and it launches it out. Oh, I trapped it. I didn't put it in, or it trapped on the edge there, which is fine. What's this? You just pull it out? Okay, yeah. So pull it out and you take it out. So it'll keep dispensing stuff out as long as this is in, so you can keep pushing the buttons. But my thing is that only one side actually works. There is no button for the other slot. Let's see. Yeah. So it's basically just set up for one side to dispense. This side is more for just holding stuff. Yeah, right? Yeah, because it doesn't seem to move. It's just clipped on there. So I guess this would be a storage side and this will be the vending side. And more than likely you could probably just put what, three things in one. Let me see, where's the other one? One, two, no, just two. So, 1, 2. So 2 items can go on the vending slot. Oh shit. Sorry. Yeah. It's nice. It's just nice and heavy. It's durable, that's for sure. These are a little tricky to put on straight. Alright, let's see. There it goes. Now it shuts. So yeah, now it's time to tag it up like it's in the hood, you know what I'm saying? I can't wait to get more of the stuff to put inside the vending machine, in all honesty. It's a pretty big size in there. I was thinking of doing other things, other items that they have. Let's see, do the Cheez-Its. See, the Cheez-Its won't work, and I don't think they'll even work on this side either because it's so tall. It's not gonna fit, I don't think. Let's see, let's try it out. Alright. Oh, actually it fits. If it's just perfectly fine. Look at that. There's some Cheez-Its in there. But like I said, that's on the side, on the storage side. Let's see if it'll work on this side. I guess it would, but now I'm wondering the slot inside, whether if it's gonna fall in there. Let's see, let's try it out. Alright, I need the card. Oh shoot. I think I got 2. Alright. Oh! It did. It went down. Like I said. Oh, it came out. Yeah. So these fit in this one. I'm wondering if some bread, maybe like that. You know what I mean? Let's see. Let's try it out. Bam. Oh, I think it might be a little tricky. Oh. No. No, it did not go. So, not the bread. The bread does not work. But the Cheez-Its work. So, yeah, I gotta get myself some more. Or is it vending? What would this one be called? The vending capsules? Refill? Or stocking? Whatever. Oh, I can't wait to get more. Let's see. What are these? These supposed to be little boxes to put stuff in. So I can yeah, right? So I can put my own things inside of it, and then I can bend it out. This is cute. So yeah, they're like little boxes, that you can fold and you put them in there, I'm guessing. Real brands. Ice creams. Oh my goodness. So I wonder if any of this stuff is, if I'm able to put it in the vending machine. I'm wondering if these are what these boxes are for, so I can put like maybe the drinks or something like that. Yeah. Alright. Well, ooh, the span would be nice. So that is it for my vending machine.